Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Honda Odyssey 2014-15 model, and this car have a problem. Check emission system and engine light on. When I check with my diagnosis tool, I got fault P0135 air fuel ratio sensor 1 heater circuit malfunction. Air fuel sensor, the oxygen sensor 1 heater circuit malfunction. Fault code is P0135. okay, and today I will show you where is the location in this sensor. Okay, here is the engine room, and this side, this is bank 2 or bank 1 inside that side. So go there and I will show you this sensor P0135. You can see here back side, this is the sensor, this one, see, and wire is here, see, this one. Okay, thank you. That's why I came, cause I think anybody remove engine, no, they didn't fix properly, so I fix it back. Okay, and then reset. Engine ignition off, then turn on and start car. You can see here now there is no fault. Engine light also gone, and engine emission system warning light gone. Okay, thank you. So if your car have a same problem, check this oxygen sensor and silencer sensor wiring. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.